Hello and welcome for a new uniTFTDesigner video tutorial. My name is Michael and I'm working for Electronic Assembly's development team.
This tutorial discusses the basic functionalities of using string boxes in the uniTFTDesigner. Larger amounts of text can be displayed. Additional text can be added or deleted at any time. Each newly added text is inserted as a new paragraph. We first start with placing such a box per drag and drop. With a double click, we can edit the text of the string box. We insert another line of text. By using the caret return line feed, this will be inserted as a new paragraph. The uniTFTDesigner also offers the possibility to include whole text files. By default, the auto-wrap function is active. This means that the text is automatically wrapped at the end of the line. If the function is disabled, the text is being truncated and the line number matches the paragraph number. As mentioned before, the content of the string box can be adjusted at runtime. First, we want to delete paragraphs. To do this, we first place two buttons. One of them deletes the first paragraph and the other one deletes the entire content. We label the two buttons with clear first paragraph and clear. Then we create two macros and give them a meaningful name. We now assign the two macros we just created to the buttons in the press event. The SBD command deletes a paragraph. It needs the object ID and the number of the paragraphs to be deleted as parameters. The numbering of the paragraphs starts with 1. If you want to delete everything, enter 0. Now, let's take a look at the result in the simulator. If I press the first button, only the first paragraph, in our case the first line, will be deleted. With the other button, we can empty the whole string box. Now, we want to add paragraphs at runtime. We place two buttons again. With one, we want to prepend text, and with the other one, we want to append text. Again, we create two macros and assign them to the two buttons. With the SBA command, we can insert a new paragraph. The paragraph number indicates the position. To add it at the beginning, we use the paragraph number 1. 0 means that the text will be appended at the end. The paragraph number is followed by the text you want to insert. Now we start the simulator again. If we click prepend text, we can see that the text is inserted at the beginning. With the button append text, a new paragraph will be inserted at the end. Whole files can also be inserted. To do this, we must first select the file and specify the location on the display. In the project tree, we select the File section and create a new file entry. A dialog opens in which we select the desired file. On the right side, we can now specify the project path. With a double click, an overview of the file structure of the project opens. We want to store the file in the string folder. Again, we place a button and create a new macro to insert a file in the string box. For inserting whole files, we use the SBF command. The parameters are the object ID and the paragraph. We want to append the file and select the paragraph number 0. Finally, we specify the file in angel brackets. We find the file lorem ipsum in the project folder P in the folder string. We start the simulator again. First, we clear everything. Then we append our predefined file.
I hope you enjoyed today's uniTFT video tutorial. Maybe you have time and play around a little bit with our sample projects and enjoy our other tutorials.